Hey loves, welcome back to another video. My name is Jenna Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing some basic simple twists using this fluffy kinky, and this is how the hair looks like. So I just went ahead and fluffed the hair. So I'm going to show you how I did, install the hair. So first things first, I started by splitting my natural hair into sections, and then I went ahead and secure them with an elastic rubber band. Okay, so I'm going to start by just combing my natural hair just like I have seen in the video, and then I also went in with some gel, okay, just to slick down the hair and to make it look neat so that it doesn't come out, or rather it doesn't pop out of the extension. Okay, so after that, guys, I just take my piece of hair and I just place it right at the top. Okay, and then I'll start by braiding about 6 steps, and then I'll now transition into twisting. Okay, so before I start twisting, I make sure that my natural hair is like well tucked in into the braid extension, and then I'll just continue twisting. It is so easy, guys, I promise. So you just twist and turn, twist and turn, exactly as you can see in the video, guys. So I'm going to twist all the way to the very end of the extension, and as you guys are noticing, I'm not stressing the I'm literally like loosening my hands. Okay, so I'm not twisting the hair again too close, because that is not the look that I was going for. So I wanted my twist to look a little bit big. So the moment you twist, the extension close, then your extension, or rather your twist, will not appear big and stuff like that. After I've combed my natural hair and slicked that with some gel, I'll just go ahead and take my extension, place it right at the top just like you can see in the video, and then after that I'll just go ahead and start doing the normal 3 strands braid. I'm going to do that about 6 steps before I transition into twisting. Okay, so I'm just splitting my natural hair, and I will just make sure that they are all tucked in into the extension, and then I will start twisting. Okay, so I'm going to twist all the way to the very end, and mind you guys, I didn't blow dry my hair, and that is the reason why I'm using gel. So most of the time I don't straighten my hair, because I normally do hairstyles so often. I try so hard not to use heat on my natural hair, because you know what it does. So I don't want to damage my hair by using heat every now and then. So yeah, guys, so moving on, nothing has changed. Okay, and I'm hoping that this video is going to help you in one way or another. Okay, so I'm going to start just like you can see in the video. I'm taking my extension, I'm going to place it right there at the top, and then after that I'll just start doing the normal basic braid, and then after I've braided about 6 steps, I'll just divide, or rather split, my natural hair into two, and I'm going to make sure that both strands of the braid extension have my natural hair. And before I start twisting, I just tuck that in so that it doesn't pop out of the extension, and just for the hair to look neat. Okay, and all that. So after that, I'll just go ahead and start twisting. So you twist and turn, twist and turn, like it is so easy. Even if you haven't braided your hair before, or rather twisted your hair before, I highly recommend that you do this rubber band method, because it is very easy, and it doesn't take you so much time, owing to the fact that I'm going for some big twist. So I did this hairstyling, and I think it was about 2 hours. Okay, and I was done because I was going for some big twist. Literally, I just enjoy doing my hair, and I love myself some big braids or twists, something that will not take me so much time to do. I can't believe we are on 1st of December 2024. Like, this year moved on so quick, and I'm really hoping that you're having an amazing time during this festive season, and I'm just here to wish you the best, the very best, and I'm hoping that God may come through for you in one way or another, and just have yourself some fabulous holiday, and don't forget to take care of yourself. This festive season, so many things happen, so always take precaution in whatever thing that you do. And yeah, so moving on, nothing has changed. And by the way, guys, I'm really hoping that this video, is going to help you in one way or another. And if it does, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and also you can share this video to your friends and family. And I will truly appreciate all your support. And yeah, just have yourself a very fabulous holiday. I only got to use one pack of this hair, so you can get this hair at any local beauty store near you. Okay, the name of the hair is Fluffy Kinky and it is by Darling, and like I said, I only got to use one pack. Okay, so if you're going for this same exact look, this big twist, then one pack is just more than enough. So in the meantime, I'll just let the video play, and as you watch again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more.
So guys, on to our last twist, and nothing has changed, and I'm super excited for you all to see the finished look. So the reason why I'm starting off by doing the 3 strands braid is because I want the roots of my twist to look a little bit secure. And yes guys, this was it for today's video. So after I was done with doing my hair, I just went ahead and laid my edges and oil my scalp. So don't forget to oil your scalp anytime you do any hairstyle, because again, you don't want to walk around with some dry scalp. Okay, so this was it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if it did, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now and take care.